So the first time that I came to Focus, I had an issue with my hamstring, and like most folks do, I waited probably 5 to 7 days to see if the problem would resolve on its own. When the problem did not resolve, actually Peggy Heiser at Heiser recommended that I reach out to Focus, reach out to them at that point, and then I came in for my first appointment several days later. I actually perform, in squash and tennis at a fairly high level, and obviously you do get minor tweaks, aches and pains, occasionally. So I thought it was something that may resolve on its own, and when it didn't resolve in a few days, I decided that I needed to do something and needed to get treatment. It was not fear, it was not anxiety. I just thought the issue may resolve on its own. So the first, like I said, I've been to Focus probably 3 times now, for 3 different issues. The first time that I came was back for a hamstring that I, pulled/tore. I'm going to say it was probably on a scale of 1 to 10. It was probably a 7, prior to the time that I came in. I think that the best thing that Focus brings to the table when it comes to treatment is they really do take a holistic view. What I have learned through the different treatments that I've had is while the point of pain may be in one part of your body, obviously that may be being caused by something else. And I can actually give you a prime example. For the last issue that I came to Focus for, initially it was shin splints, but then once Brad and the team started to treat me, we realized that actually my shin splints were linked to an issue that I was having with plantar fasciitis. Once we started treating the plantar fasciitis, the problem resolved. I've tried massage, I have tried foam rolling, I've tried stretching, I have tried rest, but I have found that the best way to do it is probably to incorporate everything that I just named, but get a professional like the team here at Focus to come and help you, and then they can develop a holistic plan that can help you resolve the issue. Well, being able to perform at a high level, I go play squash and tennis on both an international and national level, so obviously it's a big part of my life. So the fact that I was able to get back and compete was obviously huge for me. With the last issue that I actually had a big invitational event down in Florida. I had 2 weeks to get ready, and thankfully to the team here, I was able to get the issue resolved, and I was able to get back on court, which brought me great joy. I enjoy the flexibility, I enjoyed the hands-on approach, and I really did appreciate how professional the team was, but more importantly, I really appreciated how quickly the team was able to identify what the issue was, and we were able to get to work. My recommendation would be to get on it sooner than later, but then also I would recommend that you reach out to your friends, reach out to your colleagues, and more importantly, maybe another medical or professional provider and get a recommendation on where you should go. And for me personally, I've tried a lot of different folks. I know the medical profession fairly well, and I would give Focus 5 stars across the board. I think that one of the things that is important to understand, and I've actually discussed this with the team here, is most folks go to physical therapy once an issue arises. So they look at it being, I guess, more therapeutic, or they look at it addressing the issue. The one thing that I think that folks should understand is you probably should take a more holistic view to your health. And not only is physical therapy there to address a current problem you have, but if you get maintenance treatment, you may be able to avoid other problems in the future.